Kadai ke khana ke bom lakshu ban klet ha ke senong laban ha ke bah pedeng jong ke klam COVID-19 lemi ke kenhun Trai mon sumbha ke balak loi ban kersian bat ban nirap bikibriu ki ba kerdu bam bat le e ki kam isnei namar ke jing bom yo shu jong ki pajba ban let bela let sngi bat khang kerdep lut ki jing bela sngi. Kata ke Gracious Grievers Foundation ya ke baye kene kenhun la seng naduk arpoi teri ku bana jeliu arjar arpo ya ke bala debru ban register ha ke tenat Meghalaya Society. Ke Gracious Grievers Foundation Jingrakhe ye ke lengku Snem ke bahar ye ke bala penlong ha Bharat Scout and Guide ha ke bau menteri sarkar ubri pit ye ke tenan arts and culture uba sanbor sulai ubolong ru ha ke juga por MLA jong ke laban ulawan poi ha ke singi kumukongsan ha ke tig lengku Snem bahar jong ke Gracious Grievers Foundation la penlong ye ke Jingrakhe ha ke jingilam jong Vice President ke beri ru ke nongseng ke kong M Norin Dunai ban pen bernya ban pen krau ye ke singika jong ke GGF ki kena school jong ka ken road school kenjat bol kilai ke Jingrwai bat la yoru ye ki jingsam ye ki kusnam ki bala job ha ke jing pen mare marathon ke bala penlong ha ke khat pra tarik upana jeliu arajar ar puar
Kynmaw Trai Iaka Khasi kinti ubarim baca shan kamu Jehovah Haka pateng badangsa Trai baba yang banda Iaka rina Kynmaw hai hakini ki persara ki jet ki cheng ai Trai nang trai bangin say Iaka sab Heprit play Trai baba yang banda Iaka rina Kynmaw.
People think they see a mountain, but it's just a little hill, and the problems that surround them are just the mood they feel. The dangers and the darkness are only in your mind. Better keep your eyes wide open, look around. Don't let life get you down. Even
extend their helping hand to the needy people, to the poor and the downtrodden, to the visually impaired, hearing impaired, disabled people, unorganized workers, unorganized laborers, domestic workers, daily laborers, and those who really needs my hand and your hands. It is very good vision of the foundation by forming this kind of foundation for the benefits of the people in general, especially the poor and downtrodden. I was thinking to myself, and I used to discuss with my missus, especially in the evening time, why not I put a question and I will have opportunity to meet them. The very rich, maybe they are in the Trai, the richest brothers in the world, is Ambani. Whenever we travel, in every part of India, we see our own brother and sister born and brought up in footpath, living in footpath, eating in footpath, sleeping in footpath, and they die also in the footpath. I was thinking, sometimes my wife told me, if you become like an Ambani, I thought it's so hard. We cannot count how many million money they are having. every part of India, in the name of their beloved mother, father, in memory. Buy land and accommodate all these people living in the footpath. I was wondering, because this is the people who need our helping hand.